Here at the Elderwood Nursing Facility in Burlington, 6 Black nurses and caregivers say they were repeatedly called racial slurs and allegedly subject to race-based assault by residents.
Not only the 6 charging parties, but other Black employees were victimized by the race harassment.
The lawsuit filed Tuesday by the U.S. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission alleges a white man and 2 white women repeatedly called Black employees the N-word and monkeys, among other racist insults.
There was a primary harasser who all of our charging parties complained about.
The commissioner reports the white man was the primary harasser, claiming he told staff he wished he could hang Black people and that he wanted a gun to shoot them. The complaint goes on to state the resident punched one of the charging parties and used a walker to smack another. Just 2 examples of what the lawsuit describes as constant and ongoing conduct.
The response of Elderwood was neither prompt nor effective.
The complaint states Elderwood's managers and supervisors personally observed the unwelcome harassment and told Black employees it was, quote, the residents' right to use racial slurs at the nursing home and the residents could say what they want.
There are ways to manage it. You can move patients, you can reassign staff.
According to the complaint, 2 attempts were made to move the man to 2 Vermont-based long-term care facilities, but no transfer happened.
When that speech and behavior crosses a line as to adversely affect the working environment of an individual, becomes unlawful.
Civil rights criminal defense attorney Robert Appel says he's seen cases like this before in Vermont.
Unfortunately, we're still a community full of backward racist thinking.
Now, in a statement, an Elderwood spokesperson responded to the lawsuit, saying, quote, Elderwood at Burlington does not tolerate harassment of any kind and prides itself on promoting a culture of diversity and inclusion. All reports of inappropriate resident behavior are investigated and addressed. We will vigorously defend our efforts to protect our staff from racial harassment. Live in the newsroom, Lauren Granada, NBC5 News.